So today we'll start with the American salad, and for making American salad what we need to do is we should boil the eggs and remove the yolk part from it, and these egg white is to be cut into quarters like this. With black color. छोटा वाला give me small one. Okay, so this is how we have cut the egg white, boiled egg white. मिक्सी करने के लिए करनी है. So okay, so we have taken this egg white and we have cut cubes of onions. We just open it a little and we add these cubes of onion in this. And we cut this is also to be cut into cubes. These are blanched tomatoes in which the seed and the liquid juice part has been removed. Some potatoes. This is boiled potato. We cut this potato and we cut it into small cubes, very similar to the ones that we have cut here, like this. Then we take a capsicum. This is also blanched, because you know what happens when you use raw capsicum, it doesn't taste well, so it's always a good idea to blanch them so that they become soft. And I think this bell pepper also. This also in small cubes like this. So see how colorful it has become now. So recap of this, what you need to add more in this is little bit of salt and black pepper. There we have just a dash of it, like the mayonnaise is to be added in this. Dash of lemon juice like this, and spoon kind of. How we mix it. A little bit of cream is to be added in this. Chopped parsley is to be added into this, right? And mix it like this. अब आपने edit करना. So this is the way it has been cut, and we decorated the salad on a platter with 2 lettuce leaves, some red cabbage here, and the salad in the center, and this is egg yolk. You can just pass it through a strainer. Like this. Dry it. And some chopped parsley on top. And here it goes, the salad, American salad. Right?